this building originally?
I would think it would be a cowhouse of some description, or a house to keep young stock in. But the old boys were very keen on having several small sheds around the place where they would keep maybe 6 or 8 cattle, or maybe more, but not too many more, because if they got a disease and it went through the shed, it wouldn't take the whole herd, you see. So you might, in those days, I mean, the winter time, they wouldn't be fattening cattle in the winter, they would just try to survive in the winter. Because originally, they would be even crushing gorse for them.
Really?
Yeah, there's gorse mills about the place. I don't know where you'll find one, but there's gorse mills about to chop it all up, that, especially for the horses. I don't know so much about the cattle, but especially for the horses. But anything green would be sort of brought in to try and make the cattle survive the winter.
Yes.
Because it was a case of survival of the fittest.
Yeah.
So that is why there was another couple of sheds further up here, and I think that's what's all been
That's
about.
Why they're quite small, and they were obviously thatched, were they?
Yes, that was there's a whole row of stones sticking out. There's one there now, but it was all. My father had that roofed years ago.
And is that a boat on the door?
Yes, that's one of the old Nickeys. I would say some of the fishermen who were living here in the winter would be doing that in their spare time, on a wet day perhaps, whether it was spare time or not, but that would be there. Whether they were feeling the pull of the sea when they were here or not, I don't know, but they would be well used to making the drawing almost just right, because they'd be used to that all summer. They'd be all over the Irish Sea in the summertime, and then in the wintertime they would come to the farm. They would get somewhere to live, somewhere to sleep, and maybe only a loft they were sleeping in, but at least it'd be dry and it'd be warm, and they would have to do manual jobs on the farm. I think they were mostly employed on building the hedges round about. That's how the hedges got built.
So that carving's got a bit of age on it.
Oh yes, yes. Yeah, well, it's only preserved in there because it's been sheltered. That door is sheltered.